Hi, Caleb here with Lake State Cleaning. I want to show you Raindrop Gutter Guards live and in full effect after an install that we did about 6 months ago here on this house in Oakland Township. So this is a great example of how these things work. We're here right underneath an oak tree. These things are notorious for dropping lots of debris. This is hanging right over the house, so this is a great example. In the spring, oaks drop these tiny little seed strings, and so we're seeing a lot of that. Oaks drop sticks a lot too, so perfect example. You can see there's quite a fair amount of debris that's built up on this portion of the roof where the tree is overhanging. So we've got some sticks here, and we've got some of these this seed debris from the oak. But if we kind of look in closer here, notice how the gutter guards have functioned. So some debris is resting on the top here, but you still have a lot of opportunity for rainwater to still make it down through the guard into the tray, which is what you really want. If we move some of this debris away, you can see how it doesn't really stick. It comes off nice and easy. And there's these little bits of basically harmless debris, seeds and things. And these will just drop right down into the tray. And with enough rainwater, they'll get flushed through the tray, out to the downspout and away from your home harmlessly. And that's exactly how you want your gutters to function. So you can see these things are working even in a challenging environment. There's no debris down in the tray that's dangerous, it's going to cause any clogs. Even when there is some debris stuck on the top, it's really easy to remove. We can come by with a blower or a garden hose or a broom and knock this off periodically, really simply. And even when there is debris built up, there's still enough openings so that rainwater and snow melt and things like that can drop down through the openings into the tray, and you're still getting proper drainage. So if you ever want to see an example of a product in action in a challenging environment, this is a great example here of how these things work well. They hold up even when the situation isn't ideal. They do exactly what you need them to do, which is maintain drainage without trying to do too much, without trying to keep every single speck of debris out of your tray such that they end up just getting clogged and become essentially a barrier for drainage, which is what a lot of other gutter guard brands do. So that's why we love these products. You get to see it here in action. Let us know if you have any questions. We'd love to bring the product by so you can look at it in person and answer any questions you might have. So Raindrop Gutter Guards, we love them. You will too.